Just now, Jay Bala, thank you for joining us. What is your understanding of today's market setup? I mean, how bad it could get? Do you think bad could get worse, terrible, ugly before it stabilizes?
Thanks for having me on the show, Nikunj. Yeah, this market is just entering the accelerator phase of the decline. So, that's going to be a point of recognition for many investors. That will be around 16,750, which is the September low. Once that's broken, only then people will start realizing what I've been saying for several months. And the context, as I said in my first line, is that this is entering the accelerator decline phase. So we got much more to work with on the downside.
I think Jay is going to actually lead this downfall, because what we are seeing today is, a mix of Reliance along with Infosys, ICICI Bank and the HDFC twins, which are actually contributing to almost a 100-point fall on the index alone.
Yeah, see, banks are entering one of the short-term breakdown point. It's been in a 5,000 point range, and I had said last time that don't be misled by the lack of break of the budget day low. And today we have the markets, the banking index coming close to it, and Reliance is having a fresh breakdown below the February low. The February low was 2290. So we're going to have Reliance, banks, and IT. IT is on tenterhooks, and Nifty IT, it can't afford to go much below from where it is right now. So there are multiple sectors which are trying to see a fresh break. 29,300 was an important level, and as I see now, the IT index is 29,200. So multiple sectors are breaking down at this point. So if we have a close at these levels, we have it could be that Reliance, banks, and IT could be leading the way down.
A strategy, Jay Bala, for those who are watching the show: cut out of all long positions, compulsory, take a hit and get out.
Yeah, and not only that, that's definitely a strategy. Use any relief rallies. If Nifty were to, there is a small probability that Nifty could bounce back to somewhere close to 17,600. If that were to come to, even use that to exit. And raising cash is a very important strategy that one can adopt. And probably, if you can afford, move to some dollar investments. Probably, dollar is probably going to strengthen later on.
Well, I really appreciate your time. Thank you for joining us. Interesting.